where prayers rise tall. There's a festival loved by one and all. Fire and faith, heart so strong. Come, let me tell you Pongala's song. In Thiruvananthapuram streets shine bright. At Aattukal Bhagavathi temple, a sacred site. Once a year in month of Kumbham time, bells and devotion chime. Lakhs of women far and near come with love, hope and cheer. Biggest gathering the world has seen, faith-filled hearts pure and serene. Aattukal Bhagavathi Amma, we sing to you with fire, faith and Pongala too. Aattukal Bhagavathi Amma, strong and kind, bless our homes, our hearts, our minds. Long ago, Kanagi, brave and true, wrong but powerful, her justice grew. She walked this land with fiery grace and rested near Amma's holy place. The goddess welcomed her with care. Food was cooked, love was shared there. To remember that moment pure and sweet, women cooked Pongala at Amma's feet. While we cook in sun and flame, for strength, protection and Amma's name. She is mother, fierce yet fair. She listens to every heartfelt prayer. For family, children, peace and light. For courage to stand for what is right. Pongala says, I trust in you, with devotion deep and faith so true. Aattukal Bhagavathi Amma, hear our song. With pot and prayer we walk along. Aattukal Bhagavathi Amma, guiding light. Hold our hands, make our future bright. Clay pot, firewood on the ground. Rice and jaggery passed around. Coconut water, gentle care. Boiling over, Amma is there. When Pongala rises, bubbling high, joyful tears fill every eye. Amma's blessing, clear and strong, flows with faith the whole day long. No walls, no caste, no rich or poor, every woman equal before her door. With love, surrender, heart so free, we bow to Amma Shakti Devi. Aattukal Bhagavathi Amma, forever we pray. Guide us, protect us, show the way. Aattukal Bhagavathi Amma, Devi Ma, in every heart you always stay.